Good day and welcome to a new weekly vlog. Look who I'm with. It is, wait, what's the date? Someone?
28th.
Monday the 28th, and we're on a hike. So we did Devil's Peak, which was quite a nice, easy one, right?
It was quite easy, yeah.
Yeah.
Not so devilish.
Not so devilish, more like angelic, and Angel Peak. And we're now in the fishing village near Yao Tong. So we just thought we'd have a little wander around. You will have seen little footage things. I really find it funny when we look like this, because none of our face shows. Well, you do, you have eyes. I have no eyes. Right, let's go find somewhere to eat.
Ace is pretty cool.
Moving out time. Are you guys moving in? This is happening. This is happening. Can she get the can?
Pull it right back.
But yeah.
Right.
No can do.
It's so hard! Who's next?
Don't mind me, I've just put all stuff on my face. So it's much later. Basically, Liam and Jill came over and we were going to make gingerbread houses. We did everything but that. We were playing on the Switch, we played with a Nerf gun, we opened presents, we ate food. Gingerbread houses will wait till New Year's Eve, so that's fine. But it's been a lovely day. It was so nice being out in the sunshine and everything. But Devil's Peak was a weird one, I'll be honest. We got to the top and I was like, how much further do we have? And they're like, this is the top. And I'm like, huh? So it's an easy one. Wasn't the best view I've ever seen in my life, but it was still pretty. There's a lot, like Hong Kong is generally very pretty. I think Sunset Peak will still be my favorite. But yes, right, off to bed, because I've got another adventure tomorrow. So I shall see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning, good morning. It's Tuesday the 29th of December, would you believe it? We're nearly the end of 2020. I don't even know what to say about this year. I can't get my head around it. What's really strange is this time last year, I was in Phuket with my family, and that just seems like a whole lifetime ago. The idea of going on holiday, the idea of seeing my family just feels like a distant memory, honestly. It's so strange. But anyway, quite early for a holiday. It's 8 o'clock. I'm on my way out. I don't really know where I'm going today, I'll be honest. But I'm meeting Eric, Sharon and Chanel, and we're going on an adventure. See how it goes. Let's see. Quite chilly, but I can tell the sun's gonna come out. I just need to wait for it to like warm up, really. Right, let's go. Hello beasts. Look. Hello monkey man.
Monkey man.
Oh, you're a mammoth. Look at them. So cute. Don't you sneak up on me, mister. Hey.
Monkey, monkey.
Right, Eric's going to tell us why there are so many monkeys.
Well, technically they're macaques, but
Yeah, that's a breeder
So
monkey.
in the 50s, Hong Kong was a trade port, so we get a lot of trades through Malaysia. So someone from Malaysia actually kept one of these monkeys as pet. And when they arrived in Hong Kong, he realized they doesn't want to keep it anymore as a pet. So we released
No way!
it in the wild. And then 10 years later, they flourished.
But wait, they released one?
They released a couple.
Oh, okay. I was like, I don't think that's how it works, man.
Yeah, sure. But anyway, so
That's cool. Well, that's kind of bad, but also cool.
yeah, it's just people traveling on cargo ships and stuff.
Wow. Wow, wow, wee, wow. Hey, monkeys. Oh. Tunnel time. Oh.
Royal Scots. Yeah, Royal Scots. Yeah, Royal Scots.
So what is this?
This is a Second World War part of a drunken Duncan line defense line thingy.
I don't know what you just
So
said.
basically, they were thinking that the Japanese would come from Hong Kong Island.
Yeah.
So this is like a defense line.
Wow.
So it goes Wong Lai Chung Cap and everything just the same defense line.
Wow.
So the Royal Scots actually are responsible for this bit.
This is cool. Okay, off we go. I've got my torch. This is a bit scary. This is quite cool though.
So there's different stories about how the Japanese actually got into this. But anyway, you can go home and read that one. Yeah.
Wow. This is a bit creepy. It's very Blair Witch. How deep are we going? How deep are we going?
No, it's scary.
Yeah, that doesn't seem very wise, because if you get caught in this bit, how would you get away? This is so strange.
Haymarket, Piccadilly, Shaftesbury. Okay, so Shaftesbury, which is the interconnecting one. See that, Shaftesbury? Yeah. And that's the entrance over here, so we can explore Haymarket. Yeah. Guys, we are going towards Haymarket.
Haymarket.
Yep.
Nice.
See that? To Shaftesbury Avenue, right? St. Patrick's.
Oh.
How do you get through here?
Giant boy is gonna struggle. Did they used to crawl? Or were they this height? Oh, it's like an illusion. Suddenly it gets higher. So weird. Whoa. Oh, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Okay. Oh gosh, it goes really low again. Oh. Whoa. Okay.
You step on that grass and you suddenly go,
Whoa.
yeah, some scary
Whoa.
videos. Oh, that must be a gate here before. Oh, look, it's glass.
Hmm.
Oh, some kind of quartz.
What?
See this little brick arch?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so not exactly where I want to go. There was a name on the wall. We'll just go out here and have a look.
Oh.
We can go back.
We finished the hike, it was amazing, but it's now time for food. I'm so hungry. Maria's coming to visit my island. Oh, Nemo. Why?
Okay, I'm going through.
Wait, why is it saving? Why is it saying, you're flying, you're flying. Come to me, Maria. Oh, focus. There she is. I saw you
You
arrive.
see me?
I see you. Well, you're gone now. But I see you. I see you there. Hello, hello, hello. So I'm home. I am very, very achy, very tired. So I'm running a bath right now. I'm gonna put a face mask on and I'm just gonna totally relax. Spoke to Maria for 2 hours. You did see that. She came and visited my island. It was really nice. And spoke to Moof and Faj as well. So it's all been really good, but I'm now going to soak these tired muscles. Today was amazing. The weather for December was just beautiful and really, really warm. And I have a newfound fascination for the fact that there's so much history in, like, those war tunnels were almost, they were very modern considering they're from like the 1940s, and it's made me have this kind of interest in looking up stuff about the war and how the Japanese invaded here, just so I've got a bit more like understanding of all that aspect of Hong Kong, because I'm not really a history person. So I'm gonna look up some YouTube videos and get my nerd on. That's my plan. Right, I shall speak to you tomorrow. Good night. Hi, good morning. It's Wednesday. There's also a monsoon. It's crazy, you can hear everything rattling. I feel a bit afraid. I'm on my way out for lunch. Let's go, let's go.
Festive seasoning?
Overcooked time. Right, Wes.
Hi.
Wes, don't walk away. I need to introduce you to this game.
Who?
No, this game. It's called Pass the Pig. You have to pass it around.
What is this?
You have to pass it around.
This is awkward.
If it farts while you hold it, you're dead.
So lame.
I thought it was stalking.
You like?
This dog?
No, it just farts.
Yes! Right, we're gonna pick a card and then we're gonna play it and we have to guess, okay?
What about the song?
Imagine.
Lose yourself?
Why are you eating at the same time, Wes?
I know.
Huh? You stopped?
That's the only line I know.
Do the other one.
Does that feed the world?
Christmas time.
Mm.
No?
They didn't do the wrong song. really bad at this.
It's okay, just stop
Just
chewing.
finish your chocolate first.
You've been eating that for the last half hour.
It's a toffee one.
Coffee one's ingredient.
The monsoon continues. It's so windy and it's so cold. It's dropped to 9 degrees. What? That's really cold in Hong Kong, really cold. Had a lovely evening. It was just fun playing games and everything. Really good. But tomorrow's the last day of 2020. Thank goodness for that. I'm gonna go to bed now. I shall see you tomorrow. Good night. It's New Year's Eve! Woo! Woo! I'm walking backwards. Woo! There are people there.
Happy.
Hey!
Hand oil. I like that.
Republican Hong Kong.
Oh.
Why do I feel so nervous? I hate this. This is like, I just worry that everything's gonna go wrong. Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5.
10, 9, 8, 7. Happy New Year? Is it? Oh wow! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! What on earth was that?
2018 was such a happy year.
Happy New Year! It's the 1st of January. As if. I don't really know. It feels very strange. 2021 is here. So we're off for an adventure at Llama Islands. Come with us. How cute is this little fire engine? You're a cutie. Bed without filming. Basically been such a lovely first day of what year is it? 2021. We went to Llama Island. The views were just stunning. We had lunch, which you saw, and then we walked from one side to the other, and it was just beautiful, really chilled, very sunny, but very cold. I've got the heating on in my bedroom just to warm it up before I go in there. I basically got home and then called Moof and Faj for an hour, then called Maria for an hour and 15 minutes. So it's been a nice first day of the new year. Feeling quite positive. Though I have already started taking some Christmas decorations down. It's always a weird thing because we're back at work next week and I don't want to have to worry about work and taking down the decorations. So I thought, you know what, while I talk to people, I started like gathering a few bits and bobs, so I can do it just gradually. And if I'm honest with you, I do feel a little bit like I'm done with 2020, including the holiday, like Christmas holidays and stuff. It has been a good holiday. It's just, I feel like I'm ready to embrace the positivity for this year, almost like a spring clean, put things away for next year, which should be a much nicer Christmas, and just get ready for this year. I feel I don't do New Year's resolutions, but I think my New Year resolution would be to learn to speak, but to find the positives, make the most of everything, and find ways to look after me and like develop as a human being. So that's a bit ambiguous, but I mean more like well-being, but also I like doing little courses and stuff online and exercise, and even in terms of filming and teaching myself new things and Instagram and all that stuff, writing letters, reading books, all the things I already do, but just making that a prominent in my life because they bring me joy. Just love talking to family. I love sending little letters to people. I love reading. I really wish I'd had some time by a pool to read. I'll find some time. There must be a nice day coming up soon and I'll just go sit somewhere and read. That would be nice. Right, go to bed. You're rambling. Ramble less. No, that's not going to happen. Right. Not doing well. Okay, good night everybody. See you tomorrow. Good morning one and all. It is Saturday the 2nd of January, which I'm going to have to take a while to get used to. So I keep this, I've got this 5-year diary. Oh, and I was filling it in. This is my 3rd year now of doing this. Lottie, shout out to you, who gave it to me 3 years ago. 2 years ago. 2 years ago. I'm just starting my 3rd year. But that was weird last night having to write 2021. That will take some getting used to. So it's another very cold but sunny day. It is lovely, the weather. I'm like wrapped up in a kind of fleece GOD jumper, which I really like. Don't get much chance to wear it either. I'm off to Sai Kung for a lunch. Now I'm not going to vlog because I'm going to someone's house and I don't like to be intrusive. So basically I'll take you with me. Woo! Sorry. Oh, thank you. No problem. I'll take you with me, but you're not likely to see footage until maybe later today. Don't know. We'll see what happens. Go with the flow. Right, let's go get the bus. See you later. Hello, it's many hours later. I'm home. It's been a lovely, lovely day. So sunny in Sai Kung, and it's just, I just feel so happy when I'm there. So that was really nice. But I'm off to bed. I've got a very early start tomorrow. I don't know why I'm doing this on the last day of the Christmas holidays, getting up early. But the good thing is it will be an adventure, it will be fun, and then nap in the afternoon. That is what life is about. So I shall see you bright and early, or dark and early probably, tomorrow morning. Good night. Good day one and all. It's Sunday the 3rd. I am on an adventure. It's early. It's 8:30. I left the house at 6:30 this morning and we are now in Tai Tong Shan Road. We've gone to see the I can't speak. The Gumwood forest. Is that what it's called? I can't remember. But come join us. It's very orange trees. It's very pretty. I just looked it up. It's called Sweet Gum Woods. Sounds like something from a fairy tale. Ah! The things you see in Hong Kong. This is a whole photo shoot for a doll. For a doll, I tell you. Creepy, creepy, creepy. Also, all the cosplayers are out today doing photo shoots, which is interesting. You don't kind of see them that often. I miss Comic-Con. You guys, these dogs are wearing sunglasses. How cute. Those weird things you see in Hong Kong. Look at them. Breakfast time. Oh, I've got moisturizer in my eyebrows. I'm home. We had I don't even know what it was. It was kind of breakfast, but like at 10:30. So yeah, that's breakfast. Why am I so confused? It's been such a lovely day. I feel a bit mind blown that I've done a whole kind of excursion, exploring thing, and I was home by midday. That's confusing. It means that the day feels very, very productive. Like since I got home, I showered, I've got a hair mask in, and I plan on having a nap at some point because I'm so tired, and just chilling the rest of the day, which is lovely. It feels like I've done already a whole day in the morning. Joys of joys. So I'm gonna end the vlog here so that I can then just fully relax the rest of today. Don't need to film while I nap. That won't be entertaining for anyone. So thank you as always for watching. I can't believe how quickly this week has kind of gone. I feel like it wasn't long since I posted the Christmas vlog. Very confusing indeed. But this is the first weekly vlog of 2021, so there you go. Let's hope this year's a better one, shall we? One can wish. So as always, thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next week.